Everyone, this is Sold for Hobby. You may call me Lisa, and today I'm back with a new tutorial on how to make a silver chain necklace. Today we're going to work with this charm called Yin and Yang, and one side is white, one side is black with a little bit of decoration and a little bit of, there's your hole right there where I'm pointing to, up close. Today for this project you'll need a flush cutter, round nose plier, chain nose plier, flat nose plier. You'll need some lobster claps. I'm using this one. This is standard size. And this is what it looks like. There's the little hole right there. And I'm using an 8mm jump ring. This is silver, up close. You'll need a chain of your choice. I'm using this one. This is like a curved chain from beadland, and it's 4mm, about 6 yards. You open it and get ready to use it. You can cut it however length you want to go down to your chest or to your breast. And I'm just going up to my chest. And that's it. Let's set everything aside. We'll need about 3 of these jump rings. You'll need 1 charm of your choice, 1 lobster clasp. I'm just using silver because that's what I got on hand. I have more in stash, but anyway, I'm just using this. What you want to do is cut your chain, maybe about enough to go up to your chest or to your breast, and it should be like this. And it's going to be off camera. I apologize for that because it's kind of long. I'm going to move these over to set this aside. What we want to do is center it down so that way it's in the middle, and straighten it out before we put it together. Get it as closely as possible as you can. Do the best you can. I hope you guys will save this video to your library and to watch it anytime you want to, in case you want to go back to the video and to refer it as a reference. I got my idea off of Pinterest. I was just looking for a new idea. Take your round nose plier, find the opening to the jump ring and center it. Take your flat nose plier, do what I do, and you'll be able to open it and just give it a twist. Now it should open. Set that down. Pick up your, do the best you can to eyeball it. You see those holes right there? See that hole? That's what we're aiming for. First of all, I guess I should really say, put the charm through that hole. There we go. Hold it as best you can. Once it's on, take your flat nose plier and just give it a squeeze. Do the best you can to hold it. There we have it. Straighten it out. Make sure it's all the way closed. Straighten it as best you can. You don't want it crooked, but you want it straight. Alright. Set that down, look at it. Wow, that looks really good, huh? You did a good job. If you do what I do, you have a nice charm on your chain. Now take it. On the left hand side, let's do the same thing. We open up our jump ring. What you want to do for this jump ring, you see that little opening right there? That's what we want. Stick it like this backwards. Take your flat nose. Take the left hand side. Stick it through that hole. Do the best you can to close it up. Keep moving it around until it's comfortable. Then give it a squeeze. Take your other flat nose to give it, put it underneath. Squeeze it down like this. There you have it. Now, open up the jump ring. I'll do it one more time. It's not easy doing this on camera. It's a lot easier to do it off camera. But the purpose of this video is to give you guys a helping hand if you need to make your own jewelry, or if you want to get started in the career of jewelry making, you can do what I do. Stick that lobster clasp through the jump ring. And put that hole on the opposite side. This is what it should look like. Then close it. Do the best you can of holding it. And squeeze. Thank you all for staying with me this long. My channel's slowly growing. I wish it to grow a little bit more. To get to 100 views, that'd be pretty good. And please tell your friends and family about my channel if they want to learn how to make jewelry. I get my supplies mostly at Amazon.com online, or you can go to Michael's at your local store, or Hobby Lobby, or Joann's if they're still available. And that's about it. What you need for this project are some lobster claps, jump ring. These are the 8mm jump ring. You'll need some silver chain. I'm using this one. This is what it is, 4mm. You'll need a charm of your choice. I'm using the yin and yang. You'll need a flat nose, round nose, flat nose, round nose, and flush cutters. I've had these since the beginning of my career, 14, 15, maybe almost 18 years ago, jewelry making. I started back in 2007 for jewelry, and then I studied. I learned everything online. I was self-taught. Nobody taught me. Then I just knew what to get, and I researched this. So you guys can do the same thing by researching. You can go to Pinterest. You can, go anywhere online to get started. And there we have it. A beautiful necklace. This is a chain necklace. So it's quite strong. This is my yin and yang series. I'm going to be putting it online for eBay for sale soon. This might be a next year Christmas time project for tax season. It's coming soon, February. And hopefully everybody feels confident to buy something and that they don't feel too much of a burden. Buy with confidence, people, and feel, happy when you make a purchase. You don't need to, regret anything to return it and say, I cannot afford it. You can't afford it. It's just that you just want to make sure you buy with confidence. You get what you see the product picture, that's what you get at a good, affordable prices. Anyway, that's enough of me ranting and rambling on. This is my yin and yang series. And you have the lobster claps on, one jump ring on the other end. There you have it. I hope you guys like this tutorial and give me a good thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, rate, like, comment if you like, or leave me a private message. And there you have it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Goodbye, everybody.